Yogah Karmasu Kaushalam.
Namaskar. Welcome to UGC Human Resource Development Center of Gujarat University, Ahmedabad. I am Professor Dr. Jagdish Joshi, Professor and Director of this UGC Human Resource Development Center of Gujarat University, Ahmedabad. Friends, I would like to take you to the tour of Gujarat University and UGC Human Resource Development Center of Gujarat University. Gujarat University is one of the oldest universities of India. We are a heritage university. We are a university which has been established in 1949. At the same time, we are very much current, very much latest, very much performing to the expectations of government and society. We are ranked at 44th number in all institutes of higher education by National Institutional Ranking Framework. Not only that, we are ranked at 12th number in the state universities in the National Institutional Ranking Framework in 2020. Gujarat University is ranked between 6 to 25 in the category of government-aided universities in Atal Ranking of Institutes on Innovation Achievements. That is ARIIA 2020, announced on 18th August 2020. Friends, you are going to become a part of this glorious university with plethora of achievements. Now I would like to take you to the HRDC of Gujarat University. The UGC Human Resource Development Center of Gujarat University is again one of the oldest HRDCs of India, established in 1987. It was known as Academic Staff College earlier, that you may be aware of. This HRDC is also ranked at 16th among 66 HRDCs of India by NAC. We are ranked at the first in Gujarat. We have organized more than 700 professional development programs, including Guru Dakshata, faculty induction programs, faculty development programs, orientation programs, refresher courses, winter schools, summer schools, seminars, workshops, symposia, PhD coursework, etc. We have imparted training to more than 20,000 academicians and administrators working in colleges and universities of India, along with PhD scholars. This UGC HRDC of Gujarat University have been pioneer and created history and benchmarks by organizing various flagship programs, various pioneering programs, various programs which created history with my team in last few years. We have organized the first of its kind online refresher course in India in the year 2018-19 with more than 2,100 participants. It was initiated by Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India. We have also organized and successfully completed the first of its kind online annual refresher program in English language teaching, that is known as ARPIT, with record-breaking 9,000 participants in the year 2019-20. We were ranked at second in India as far as the participant and number of participants is concerned. It was very well received and appreciated by the teaching fraternity and the ministry. We organized the first ever online short-term course on e-content development during the lockdown and unlocks. Not one or two. We have organized 118 such courses with more than 5,000 participants. With about 5,000 participants who successfully completed it. The participants were from across the country. And this was organized during this pain of epidemic and pandemic. We have applied for Guinness Book of World Records, and we have primarily been accepted and scrutinized for the world record for this. The first online professional development program for the administrative staff of universities was organized during lockdown with 105 participants. These are the participants from different universities of Gujarat and India. Friends, I am proud to say that the first of its kind PhD coursework for all registered PhD scholars of Gujarat University has been organized since 2016. The Vice Chancellor of that time suggested us that you should go for some uniform PhD coursework, which should follow all the norms of UGC, all the norms of government and the university. And it should be uniform, it should be qualitative, and it should be uniquely useful to all the PhD scholars. And we have accepted the proposal. We followed his orders and we started this PhD coursework since 2016. From 2016 to this present year, we have been imparting this PhD coursework to the PhD scholars registered for their PhD in Gujarat University. A challenge came that we should come out with some model which is very useful to the PhD scholars, because there were many problems which were faced by the PhD scholars. This epidemic, pandemic, and many other things, they were the problems. So we came out with a unique model under the guidance of our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. Himanshu Pandya, and with the support of various other academicians. We floated a model, we came out with a model which is really very useful. The first of its kind PhD coursework in blended mode. I guess this is for the first time in history of India this is happening. It is a mix of online and offline. It is a mix of face-to-face and online. It is a mix of you are meeting somebody personally and you are doing it from a distance. It is a mix of your supervisor and it is a mix of the international experts. It is organized for all the registered PhD scholars of Gujarat University. We have discussed it with various other vice chancellors, and I'm very happy to share that, friends, that Professor Dr. Chetan Trivedi, the vice chancellor of Bhakta Kavi Narsimha Mehta University, Junagadh, he readily agreed to the model. And he also approved it that all the registered students of Bhakta Kavi Narsimha Mehta University will also join this program. The model is accepted by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Open University also. Children University of Gujarat, which is a unique university in itself, that has also agreed to join hands for this blended mode PhD coursework. Shri Kranti Guru Krishna Verma, KSKV University, Bhuj, they also agreed. The Vice Chancellor, Dr. Jadeja sir, he also agreed for this kind of model, and we are developing a special model for them for this PhD coursework. So friends, this PhD coursework model, a unique kind of model, has been accepted by more than 5 universities in Gujarat. And we created history with this. And we have come out with a unique model which will be very useful to the participants of PhD. That has many unique features, like it will be in the format of MOOCs, it will have international faculties, it will be in dual language, and there are many benefits to the PhD scholars. That the aim and objective of this PhD coursework, blended PhD coursework, is that we would like to follow all the norms of UGC, all the norms of state government, and all the norms of universities. At the same time, we would like to help our PhD scholars to come out with quality research output, which is expectation in national education policy. Our HRDC of Gujarat University is coordinating the online e-content creation training for all the professors of the colleges and universities of Gujarat, along with Department of Higher Education, Commissionerate of Higher Education, and Knowledge Consortium of Gujarat in 2020. In the first phase, it was organized for all the professors of government colleges of Gujarat. Now in the next stage, we are going to organize it for each and every professor, each and every teacher, each and every academician working in higher education in Gujarat. We are proud to share that we have organized the first of its kind UGC-sponsored online Guru Dakshata faculty induction program in July and August 2020. For such courses with about 400 participants from across the country was organized. Ministry of Human Resource Development has funded UGC Human Resource Development Center of Gujarat University for organizing various courses under RUSA grant. Our HRDC is one of very few HRDCs which have very fruitfully and successfully organized the programs under the umbrella of RUSA. We have organized this RUSA-sponsored program in collaboration with Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad, IIT Delhi and IIT Mumbai, Jawaharlal Nehru University, Delhi University, the Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration, Mussoorie, Mumbai University, Narsi Mohanji Institute of Management, InflipNet Center, SNDT Mumbai University, St. Xavier's College of Mumbai, NIPA, National Institute of Educational Planning and Administration, NCRT, and UGC, etc. We have collaborated with these institutions. Our participants have visited these institutions and had first-hand experience of the best institutes of India. Our website is very dynamic, and you can get almost all the information about HRDC, about the activities, and about next programs from this website. Our journal of UGC HRDC Gujarat University is indexed in Crossref and has digital object identifier for each research paper published in that. It is unique in itself. We invite international resource persons as well. We have MOU with UK and Canadian universities. We provide consultancy for organization of various faculty development programs, professional development courses, and various activities related to higher education. We are a very innovative and established training institute of higher education. We collect video feedback from participants and we keep them on our website. So I welcome you all to this uniquely working institute, an institute which is working for all of us, you and me, for our professional development, UGC Human Resource Development Center of Gujarat University, Ahmedabad.